Many household plants are strategically placed for decoration and to maintain Feng shui. But did you know that some of these same plants also have health benefits? Snake plant is one of those plants known for both looking good and improving air quality. Hi guys, welcome back to Golbarg.greenhouse channel. Today I'm gonna talk about snake plant benefits. Okay, let's go. Similar to other household succulents, snake plants help to filter indoor air. What's unique about this particular plant is that it's one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at night. This quality makes it an ideal plant for bedroom decor since it can help regulate healthy airflow. Snake plants are also known for their ability to help remove toxic air pollutants. In small contributions, a snake plant can absorb cancer-causing pollutants including CO2, benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, trichloroethylene, toluene. With the ability to absorb and remove harmful toxins, snake plants may act as an effective defense against airborne allergies. Snake plants have therapeutic effects on mental health according to 2018 research. So snake plants can be added to workplaces, schools, and medical facilities as a low-cost and low-risk way to improve these environments. Snake plants can tolerate both shade and direct sunlight under watering, drafts, and dry air. They also don't require frequent repotting and hardly ever get infested. By releasing oxygen and adding moisture to the air, snake plants can help lessen the impact of airborne allergens like dust and dander. Since poor indoor air quality has been linked to the many health-related issues like allergies and asthma, this is a definite benefit. The Chinese love the snake plant for its ability to absorb negative energy. According to Feng Shui, placing Sansevieria in a classroom facilitates learning. They believed to absorb negative energies and eliminate bitterness and jealousy. They place them in a room where people tend to argue or near appliances that emit harmful radiations. Nature ID botanist Halina Shemsher shares that there are numerous other snake plant benefits that aren't scientifically proven but are widely accepted by plant experts. For instance, snake plants are said to heal skin wounds and burns, reduce inflammation, support standard blood pressure, help strengthen the immune system, help flush out parasites, relieve headaches. You can apply the sap from the plant's leaves to wounds, burns, and inflammations, she says. Aromatherapy can help you get rid of a headache.